Hello my amazing guys, I'm more than happy to have you on my channel. With this channel, we discuss business, finance, entrepreneurship, and everything like these. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are interested in learning more with me. In this video, we will be looking at, as at now, Dangote is the wealthiest person in Africa, with an estimated net worth of $20 billion. Aliko Dangote has been the richest man in Africa for more than 10 years in a row. Africa's richest person was born in Kano, Nigeria, in 1957. An oil refinery or petroleum refinery is an industrial process plant where petroleum, crude oil, is transformed and refined into useful products such as gasoline, diesel fuel, jet fuel, and so many other products. The Dangote Refinery is an oil refinery owned by Aliko Dangote that was inaugurated on the 22nd of May 2023. When in full operation, it is expected to have the capacity to process about 650,000 barrels per day of crude oil, making it the largest single-train refinery in the world, yes in the world. Such an amazing project in Africa, Nigeria. The pipeline infrastructure at the Dangote Petroleum Refinery is the largest anywhere in the world, with 1,100 kilometers to handle 3 billion standard cubic foot of gas per day. In simple terms, the refinery has the longest subsea gas pipeline in the world with a length of 1,100 kilometers. 10 Economic importance of the Dangote Oil Refinery to Nigeria and Africa. 1. Support for allied industries. The establishment of the refinery is also likely to help reduce the cost of production for industries that rely on petroleum products such as diesel to power their operations. In turn, this should increase their competitiveness in the global market while promoting local industry capabilities. 2. Self-sufficiency. With the Dangote Refinery, Nigeria will attain an autarky in refined petroleum products, urea and petropolypropylene. This will further provide excess capacity in refined products, which will now go for the export market. Let me simplify this statement: the refinery will reposition Nigeria as an energy hub globally. 3. Takes burdens off the FG. This refinery will help satisfy growing demands for refined petroleum products in both local and regional markets, as against simply exporting unprocessed crude to diminishing markets overseas. 4. Will generate 12,000 megawatts of electricity. Expected when fully operational is the generation of more power for Nigeria's electricity sector. Governor of the CBN, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, said the Dangote Refinery is expected to generate 12,000 megawatts of electricity. 5. Saves the country billions of dollars. The Central Bank of Nigeria has also said that the refinery project saves Nigeria between $25 and $30 billion in forex annually. 6. Reduced oil import dependence. The most notable impact of Dangote Refinery will be the increase in local refinery capacity, which will reduce imports. 7. Yields billions for Nigeria yearly. Not only will the refinery save us money, it will also be yielding and increasing revenue for the nation. According to the CBN governor, the refinery along with the petrochemical plant is expected to generate $20 billion yearly for Nigeria. 8. Proofs Nigeria and Africa is not land of desolation. Beyond money and petroleum products, the Dangote Refinery and petrochemicals is a huge statement that has the potential to bury all the negative stereotypes about Nigeria and Africa. 9. Sets the precedence for the future. This gigantic plant goes a long way to show and prove that Nigeria and by extension Africa can produce whatever it needs to consume. 10. Employment creation. The Dangote petrochemical plant will provide an estimated 300,000 direct and indirect jobs to Nigerians and migrants. This is very important and necessary for the youth of Nigeria and the West African sub-region. Thank you again for watching and enjoying our videos. Kindly share, like, subscribe and comment so we can always learn more of these goods content. I am humbly looking forward in meeting you often.